Now, we all know how important a role getting reviews plays in having a successful product, but unfortunately, getting reviews is actually pretty difficult, and it's become even more difficult lately because Amazon started to clamp down on what you can and can't say in their messaging system when asking for a review. Fortunately, Amazon does allow you to just press a simple button that just basically sends the customer an email prompting them to review, but I haven't actually found this to be that good in actually getting the customer to leave a review. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you and demonstrating to you a new technique that I've been employing for like the last 6 months or so that's worked wonders and has actually helped me to skyrocket the number of reviews that I've received. And luckily, this method is completely free, and it will not only allow you to get more reviews, it will also allow you to collect emails from your customers. And if you're into Facebook advertising, you can pixel them and you can start advertising different products that you've got to existing customers. So I'm going to show you now a page that I actually created just for this video that I actually created in about 15 minutes. It was really easy. So this is how it works. This is the website that I've created, and I'm just going to pretend for the benefit of this video that I'm selling yoga mats or something. So basically what you need to do initially is to have an insert card or have something written on your packaging that says, please remember to register your warranty with for our product in order to ensure that if there's any problems with the product, you're covered and you can get a replacement for free. So what I do is I'll have in the insert card either register for your 2-year warranty here on this website, or alternatively, you can do register for our VIP club where you can get a warranty, a discounts, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't really matter. All you need to do is get the customer to visit your site. And typically they will do, because getting a warranty is free and it means that they're protected in the event anything goes wrong. So this is what I've created here. And as I say, I made this in about 15 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do something similar for free. So yeah, register for your free warranty here. We just fill out order number, name, and then email address. And then the customer would press register your warranty. And then it would then take them through to this page saying, we've registered your warranty. So what I've done here in the back end is as soon as the customer submits the page, it will either automatically email me with their name, their email address, and their order number, or you can just get it to automatically add to like a Google Sheet or to your own like mail shop provider. So here you can see we've registered your warranty, and then please could you leave us a review. I mean, you can finesse this wording, I would. I just did this in like 10 minutes. But please leave us a review. I'd love to help you. And then the customer would click that and it would take them through to the Amazon review page, or no thanks, I'm okay. So this is kind of getting around the Amazon messaging system, so you can kind of say whatever you want here, and it also is allowing you to collect customer email addresses, which is obviously really valuable for when you're launching future products. Now, one thing that you can also do to encourage customers to review for you, because even though they've got it in front of them and it's just a click of a button away, they might still be like, nah, what's the point? You can also say something like, for a discount on your next order, please leave us a review, and then email us to say you've done that and we can give you a discount code. Or another thing that you can do is say for an extended warranty. So maybe you'll say, we've registered your 1-year warranty. If you'd like us to upgrade this to 2 years, please leave us a review by clicking this button here, and then email us on this email address for a free upgrade. And that is what I've done historically. And it's worked wonders. Honestly, my reviews count has gone like sky high very quickly. So maybe you're thinking this looks a bit too complicated and it's probably quite expensive. Guess what? This site here at the moment is completely free and it's really easy to do. So the website, and I'll put a link in my description box below, is called Groovefunnels, and it works very similarly to ClickFunnels or other like drag and drop page builders. So all you need to do effectively is load up a pre-made template, change the information that you want to change, so your logo, the colors. You can click and drag like different things that you want, different things that you don't, and that's how you can create a website in like 10 minutes. So let's just walk through how I did it together now. I'm going to start a brand new site for you. So as soon as you register an account with Groovefunnels, you'll have a dashboard similar to this. I think everything will be grayed out for you if you're on the free plan. But the only thing that is free and the only thing that we want is the Groove Pages, which is effectively the drag and drop website builder. So you'll click onto that and then you'll click here where it says new website. And then you can either start from scratch or you can just go off a template, and that's what I did. So have a look at the templates and see which one you like. I think this is the one that I actually went for in the end. So yoga free opt-in funnel. So you just click select on that and then let it kind of put that together for you. And then automatically you can see that you've kind of got, you know, everything that you need to be able to collect customers' emails and their name. So we've got a picture automatically loaded here. If you do want to change that, it's really simple. You just click on it and then go on background, and then you can just change the image. So they've got plenty of free stock photos for you to like search for. So if you wanted something like anything to do with yoga, you can just type in yoga and just, you know, choose one. Or alternatively, you can upload your own. Maybe you want a picture of your product or something like that. Let's just keep that for now. And then, I mean, just for changing the text, it's just a case of double clicking. And then you can just literally just type register for your warranty now, etc. And then you can, you know, just click through these. If you want to add any other input box fields, so maybe like the Amazon order, what I would just do is just duplicate it and then just literally just change the name of the text. So that's like all it is to it, to actually creating a page like this. And then for the kind of thank you page and the page where we're going to prompt the review, you just press pages and then press a plus, and then again look at a template. So I think for our next page, let's just have a really simple one. So like this one here, like a little thank you page. You click into it and then you can see here that the page is loaded. And then again, it's just a case of clicking things that you don't like. So say the colors, and then just going into the sidebar and then just changing it to whatever your brand's colors are. And then here, I think I just wrote initially, thank you for registering your warranty. Please could you leave us a review? And then here you've got followers on Facebook. So, you know, you just click into it, configure, and then you just change the text. Please leave us a review. Something like that. And then you can just update it, link to, and then do URL, and then copy and paste the URL to go to your Amazon order. So it's really simple, guys. And this is honestly something that has worked wonders for me. I've been doing, as I say, for about 6 months now. I've collected an absolute ton of names and email addresses that I can just send an email to now whenever I launch a product within my existing niche. So I will put a link for Groovefunnels in the description box below. As I say, it's normally like $99 a month, or it's going to be, but because of COVID, they've basically said they'll do it for free, and it's also in beta. So they are still currently improving it and getting ready to do a big launch. So I'd say even if you're not at the point of selling at the moment, it's still worth registering for this now, just to be able to create free websites in the future. You don't have to worry about hosting, you don't have to worry about additional costs. It's all completely free. So that's my tip for this week's video, guys. If you have enjoyed it, please remember to like and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another Amazon FBA tutorial video.